All right, so I don't know if it's going to go into source good to be true, but it's too interesting that the story is called Trelawny Extension Officer Charge. Detectives assigned to the Trelawny Criminal Investigations Branch, or I think it's called TCIB, have charged a licensed firearm holder with illegal possession of firearm and assault at common law. I don't know if that's what they were just supposed to word that, but should say at the okay, let's just read it. At common law found incident in the parish of Wednesday. Charged 56-year-old Trevor Getton, extension officer at Hague, Trelawny. Police report that about 9:40 p.m., Getton alleged police license firearm pointed at the complainant and threatened him. We don't know who the complainant was, what the matter was about, but this is what we're going through. The matter was reported to the police, and Gettin turned himself in a few hours later. He was charged following an interview. His court date has been finalized. So that's all we're getting from the story. So this is where we have an extension officer who got an altercation with somebody and apparently pulled a gun on some at this person had an issue with. We don't know who the person is, what relation he and that person have, or what the issue is about, but that's all we're getting from here, though. But it'll be an interesting story to see what's happening. But it's just pointing out a lot of people are just really just, especially here in Jamaica, just like their solution rather than just talk things over, they just have to resort to violence, especially with a firearm or like a knife, which is a punk ass move. I mean, I like the good old days where people just kept it verbal when I disagree. And if it gets physical, just duke it out with fists. All right, like using a gun is a bitch move. All right, and I hate reading stories like that where people just resort to using weapons rather than just squaring up and just doing one on one. But apparently nowadays there are too many bitch made codes who don't believe in the old school fashion of settling up. And this dude, this is not a good. And the fact that this guy is nearly 60, 4 years being 60, you should know better, man. That's just fucked up. I mean, unless it's revealed that the guy, he threatened him, unless the other guy did something very serious to him, or like this guy probably did set him off in a way that he felt he had to defend himself. The only justification he'd have is his self-defense, which I don't see in it. So, but interesting to see what happens or comes of it. But this is pretty much what it. So, unless more facts come out, that's all I can say about this. Well, this was State of Jamaica and the Caribbean. Check my YouTube page, Miles Goosen Farron, with thoughts of Miles and Miles Productions. So have a good night.